Tell you in a minute, Davey.
Hello.
This is Davey. Davey's
So
yet another volunteer, but he's our electrician. So he's,
Yes.
if you look just to your right there, he's rewiring everything.
Well, I just rewiring the engine shed sockets.
So this is the engine shed. This is where all the maintenance of locomotives takes place.
So
if you look underneath, there's a pit under, so you can go.
Yes, I see. Yeah.
as well.
Is it runnable? If
Yeah.
when you finish the job, will it will be back on track?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. They're still undergoing repairs. These two. And these are diesel electric.
Diesel.
So we've got a diesel engine,
Yes.
but it's powering an electric motor here.
Yes. It's like hybrid.
Yeah, hybrid. Yeah.
The original
very green. You're very welcome to climb up. If you
Oh, I wish to. Yes, of course.
I'm afraid the handrail
That's
here
okay.
has been
That's
taken
okay.
off.
I can handle it. Very, very good.
What's your Russian like? This year? This week? That's this week, is it?
Yes.
One of the lads, he drives Island Valley, he was controller on Saturday.
Yeah.
He's got Marshall, Grand Central, Ambassador, to the Fortune. I mean, the first one, Newcastle, about 30 years ago.
Oh, that's brilliant. I really enjoyed that.
Newcastle, the first one.
So these used to operate on the docks at Sunderland.
Yes.
So PSA up here is Port of Sunderland Authority.
And that's just so it was.
But they had no further use for them, so they donated us
Okay.
to us. Yeah.
Yeah. How many of them there was?
We've got two identical ones,
Yeah.
Pinky and Perky.
Pinky and Becky. Yes. Becky.
And then we've got just the standard
Just a standard diesel. Yes.
small diesel. These
Small-
are all made by the same company, Western Hornby.
Small diesel means how many horsepower was it?
Yeah, I'm not
Like
sure what this
10
is, but
10
it
10
is
liters?
pretty powerful.
Pretty
yeah.
powerful. Yeah, it
Yeah.
has to be. Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
40 tons.
They're well solid. Yeah.
Yeah, solid thing. Yeah. So are they all three can be put on track and do the job?
Yeah,
if
we
necessary?
have problems with track at the moment, so they're not
Yeah.
currently going, but potentially they could do.
They are just chilling
Yeah,
now,
they're just chilling.
resting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
And undergoing some repairs. And we've got quite big, heavy craneage.
Oh yes, it's super heavy.
And it runs the whole length of the building, so we can lift quite substantial bits of the
Yes.
locomotive. Right, still lots to see.
Yeah, let's go then.
Молодой человек жил в районе Чехословакии.
Oh, хорошо. Czechoslovakia.
Speaks German, Russian,
A little bit German,
Polish,
yes. Polish,
Dutch.
Я сказала, что ты хорошо говоришь
English.
Да, я
по-немецки.
слышал, да.
О, good.
I had Russian at school because
Yeah.
Poland was under Soviet occupation.
Oh,
Well, it wasn't formally occupation, but
No.
best friends, you know, like, oh, you're my best friend, yeah.
I've been to Prague.
Prague, I've been in Prague.
And that tower. You know, what do you call it? Still got the tower. What, the Russian guards used to look
the
down on the
guard
tower and all that.
watchtower thing, yeah.
Maybe yours now. I can't remember this in Prague.
First time I went was 1974.
Oh, it was the Iron Curtain was still,
was still
was
there,
still
yeah.
applied.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I went with Sunderland Football Club,
Yes.
drawn against Vazos Budapest in Hungary.
Yes.
And I go out the airport, oh my God, the Stammer machine guns and everything was just dim, real grim, you
Yeah,
know.
insane,